Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a little video today just to show you around inside the car that we've bought, and we'll start it up and see what messages, if anything, comes up on the dashboard. There should be nothing, so here we go. Right, let's give it a start up and see how we go. Okay, it starts up no problem at all. Check front fog light. Well, that's a new one. I haven't had that before, but other than that, no other messages do show up on it. That's good. So yeah, let's have a look around. It's all nice and tidy, as you can see, without the windscreen. Mirror over there, look, broken. Need to get that changed, and those plastic wind things around the windows there, those need changing. We have a phone holder here. I don't know what phone that holds, but there we go. Oh, hang on, and the check fog light message is now gone, and we're left without any warning messages other than the brake lights. Sorry, the parking brake, which should be there anyway. That's good. Okay, so we've got 120,000 miles, and I think everything works. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we've got the air suspension on off-road position at the minute. And where's the indicator? Yeah, park brake. Let's put it into foot on the brake. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah, we're running on petrol at the minute, and I'm told that when it's warm enough, if we press this button, we can switch it over to gas, which we'll do now anyway, and then it will change over when it's warm enough. But I think at the minute they don't look as though there's any gas left in it anyway, so we'll put it back onto petrol. There we go. But as far as I know, guys, I've had a look at this before. As far as I know, everything does seem to work. The headlights definitely work because we had them on the other night. No problem there. Where's the horn on this thing? Yeah, was that the horn or was that the washer? Oh, is this the horn? Don't know. We'll figure that out. Heated steering wheel. There you go. That works fine. Cool. So there we go, guys. Everything seems to be okay. Oh, I did notice on here earlier, that's an interesting one. I didn't realise this. It's actually got television in it as well. Television. That's... How did I get it to go? Oh, that's right, yeah. So it's going to... it's searching for a TV. I'm not sure it'll ever find anything. I mean, I'm guessing this was the old analog system, so I don't know if this actually still works. It seems to be searching for something. But, and I don't know where the antenna is anyway on this, if it still exists. So there we go. And there you go. Don't know, we'll figure that out. I'm not really sure how it works, to be honest with you, but yeah, happy with that, guys. Everything's good as it should be. There we go. Quick look in the back. Cool. And I'll get out now and just show you the outside of it, parked outside the house. Right, bear with me. Okay guys, that's another video over. Hope you've liked this one, and if you have, please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll look forward to hearing your comments. What do you think about the car? Do you think there's a lot of work? Do you think we're going to be able to complete it? We really look forward to hearing your comments. Alright, see you again soon for another video. Bye bye.